evening, everyone. My name is Amandeep Kaurandava, and today is my like a reflective essay on my learning in international marketing and digital media. So I will share my reflective essay to my learning journey in international marketing and digital media. I will discuss how my knowledge and skills and attitude evolved during the course and how I plan to apply these learning in the future. And so at the start of this course, I only had a basic understanding of marketing, mostly focused on branding and promotional activities. This is a reflection, evaluation, and my learning journey, looking at how my understanding changed over time and how I can apply these skills academically and professionally. When I began the course, I was mostly aware of promotional activities and branding, and over time I learned to adapt marketing strategies to different cultures, economics, and technologies. And for example, Hofstede's model helped me understand how campaign differ in high context cultures and like Japan versus low context cultures like Germany. I also learned the market entry strategies and such as franchising or joint ventures, and joint ventures are not just a business choice but require strategic adaptations to the market environment. And analyzing IKEA's entry into China was a practical application of this learning. Initially, I had limited knowledge of the role of digital media in international marketing. I now understand the importance of social media marketing, SEO, content marketing, and influencer collaboration. For instance, TikTok algorithms allow niche targeting beyond location, which brands like Guess and Gymshark effectively. Us in my future career, I plan to create culturally like a sensitive campaign and analyze international audience using tools like Google Analysis and SEMrush. So before the course, I relied heavily on lecture materials. Now I actively consult journals, industry reports, and professional blogs criteria. Thinking improved through case studies such as Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign. Analytically, research grew through frameworks like SWOT and PESTLE. And for example, analyzing Netflix entry into India highlighted political, economic, and technological factors implicated market success. Becoming a self-directed learner was a major transformation. I began setting personal objectives such as learning about AI in marketing. I attended webinar followed through leaders and completed courses and Google Analytical and HubSpot SEO. In a group project on marketing segmentation, I researched AI-based micro-segmentations independently, which allowed our team to produce a forward-looking solution. This self-directed approach also improved my time management skills. And initially, my research relied heavily on Google. Now I use academic databases such as ProQuest and Gesture and Merlot. Applying filter and evaluation sources with the CRAP criteria. For example, in analyzing Asia Pacific digital trends, I combined scholarly articles, industry reports, and case studies to produce evidence-based insights. This skill will help me make well-informed marketing decisions in the future. And my search relied heavily on Google. Now I use academic database such as ProQuest, Gesture, and World, applying filter. And this skill will help me make well-informed marketing decisions in the future. And digital media has transformed from being a passive source to a core and part of my learning. I actively explore online tools, participate in a webinar, and join a LinkedIn group, for example, in a project to design a good global campaign for a New Zealand brand. I propose using air purifier filter on Instagram inspired by IKEA campaign, and tools like Google Trend and SEMrush help me understand search behavior in different countries. And the key lessons for the course are marketing strategy, need cultural adaptations to success globally, digital media is central to campaign, and continue self-directed learning is vital in this fast changing industry. I plan to implement these lessons in future projects by developing campaign, learning analytics, and conducting marketing research. In conclusion, this course transformed my knowledge from basic marketing concept to a strategic search-based understanding. I now have to skill to analyze, adapt, and apply marketing strategies in a real-world context. And this will make me more effective in an international marketing campaign and adaptable in the digital economy. Key reference include Iowa Hofstede and Kotler and Newton Solomon. Thank you.